guys, welcome back to the channel. You had a good week? Just wanted to check in. Big announcement. Well, at least for me it's a big announcement. Hopefully you guys will enjoy what's going to happen with the R8. Spent a lot of time thinking about it and decided that it was time to make a major modification of the car, which I think will take place right here and here, and the same goes for the other side. So I placed an order for Vorsteiner wheels, tires all the way around, and they won't be here till December, unfortunately. So have a little bit of a wait, but that'll build some anticipation. And I elected to order tires and wheels for days that I decide to track the car, and I could put the stock wheels and tires back on and just wear those out. So anyway, I'm not going to disclose the model number of the wheels, style, or color, nor the center cap choice. So we'll save that for a surprise when they come in. I think you'll like them. Keep the car stays sinister. It won't. I didn't do anything crazy with it. I didn't do white wheels. That would not be a good idea. And I think that what you'll like about them is they open up the calipers and the rotors for visibility, because they are really good looking, the carbon ceramics, and that was a big plus to having the car and being able to track it with those kind of brake capabilities. So that's the news, and I'm going to go ahead and do a little driving, get some footage, and go from there. Question for viewers: what are your thoughts on lettering on the tires? Now, you can't really buy tires, at least the tires that I'm going to be getting, with lettering, but I have seen some cars with the P0 in red and the Pirelli, which is on the other side, the bottom part of the tire, in red. Here, what do you think doing that in red? I don't think white would look good, but put your comments below. Let me know your thoughts. Always appreciate the feedback and the suggestions, and always appreciate your support. So without further ado, let's catch some pulls and some exhaust pops and crackles, and talk to you soon. Again, thanks for viewing. If you like the content, please go ahead and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and hit that thumbs up or like button, and talk to you soon. Really cool seeing the M5 in the rearview mirror. merch. This is definitely not a paid endorsement, but really good product. And put a comment down in the link below or the description below if you would like to see some Sage Rides merch.